If your concrete driveway is sinking or it's uneven in some areas, then you might be wondering, should you replace it or can you just lift the concrete? Well, the answer is, it depends. Most companies only offer one of these services, so they tend to promote the one they do. But the truth is, both have their place. So in this video, you're going to learn three things: how concrete lifting works, how full replacement works, and a simple way to help you decide which is right for you. So let's look at the most common situation where two main sections of a driveway in front of a garage has been sinking over time. You've probably seen this before. Let's start with concrete lifting. This method keeps your existing concrete in place. Small holes are drilled into the slab and material is injected underneath to raise it back to its original height. But there are actually two main types of lifting: mudjacking and foam lifting. Mudjacking uses a heavier, muddy mixture to lift the slab. It's more affordable, but it requires larger holes, it takes longer to cure, and typically lasts 2 to 5 years. But foam lifting uses lightweight expanding foam. It's quicker, more precise, requires smaller holes, and typically lasts 5 to 10 years or more. Both of these jobs take about 2 to 4 hours, so you can use your driveway within 24 hours after mudjacking and immediately after foam lifting is done. And as far as cost is concerned for this example, where you need to raise the two driveway sections in front of a garage, you could typically pay somewhere around $2,000, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less. Now let's look at concrete replacement. Obviously, this is where the old concrete is completely removed. And this fully addresses the underlying issue that caused the concrete to sink in the first place. The contractor digs out the base, puts in a new compacted gravel foundation, they add rebar and reinforcement, and then pour brand new concrete. This process does take longer and you need to wait 7 days before you can use your driveway. And the cost for replacing concrete in this example of raising the two driveway sections in front of a garage would be somewhere near $4,000. Now, as a rule of thumb, replacing concrete costs about twice as much as lifting it. So if the cost is the biggest factor for you, lifting is the cheaper option, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's the best choice. So how do you know which one to go with? Well, I'm not here to tell you what you should do. Here are 3 questions that can help you make the decision easier. The first question is, how much has the concrete settled? If it's just dropped a few inches, lifting could work great. But if it's settled 6 to 8 inches or more, that usually points to a deeper problem like poor soil or erosion, and replacement may be the best choice. Question number 2, is the slab cracked in multiple places or is it still mostly intact? If the concrete is just uneven but still in one solid piece, lifting can work well. But if there are deep or widespread cracks, especially running in different directions, lifting will fix them. In that case, replacement is usually the better option. And number 3, has this area had issues before or has it been lifted already? If it's already been lifted once or the problem keeps coming back, it may be time to fix it the right way with a brand new base and slab. At the end of the day, lifting is ideal for quick fixes and minor settling. Replacement is better for long-term durability and overall peace of mind. If you're unsure what's best for your situation, the smartest next step is to get a professional assessment. So here's what you do next. Just schedule a free consultation and estimate by clicking the link below. You'll get straight answers so you can make a confident decision. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.